Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to pay with your Revolut Virtual Card. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Now, just in case you haven't made your Revolut account yet, or you would like to invite someone to download it, we have a very special link just for you. To download Revolut, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the first link in the description, or until you see the first link in the comment section below. Once you go there and you click on it, you'll be invited to this page where you can sign up with your phone number from any country that you would like, and you will receive a referral bonus and the best method to transfer money on your accounts. Now, once you're back on the application, all you have to do is go to the top right section where you see the card logo, and then from here you're going to select whatever card that you might have created. But if you want to create a new one, simply click on Add New, and then you're going to select Virtual Card. And then from here, once you create it, you can add it to your Google Wallet or your Apple Pay wallet. Then once you do that, finally, all you have to do is go down to your settings and make sure that the NFC button is open like that. And then from there, that will just let you pay with it wherever you go. Simply drag your phone onto the pay scanner and you're done. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.